What's up, everybody? I can't stay on the radio. Oh my god, I will stay on the net. On video. Having a pretty good night here in Toronto, Canada. Oh my goodness, you gotta see this. You gotta see this adorable, cutest thing ever. You gotta be very careful when we're approaching, okay? So, it's a giant kitty car. He's a tiger. Wow. Yep, that's the kitty cat. Oh, what's my name? You know, like me cat right now. He's being a devish kitty right now. I don't know. Okay, you can't roll. Yep, kitty. Don't be shy. Hello, baby. Hello. How are you? Hmm? You know who I am. Hmm? Yeah. What's up? You're a big kitty, aren't you? Okay. I'll let you be. Hmm? You're adorable. Let everybody see your precious face. Hi. Oh, you don't like being on camera very much. In your face. This is like a reality show for kitties. And I am DJ Emmy. Yep. So, yep. So, okay, I'm be back with more funny videos. Peace.